Also, this coming February 4, uy, malapit na, ha? February 4, 2026. Starting in the morning, 8 a.m. pa lang, 7 a.m. pa lang yata, may kasiyahan na, no, nagagawin. Mardi Gras style sa Barangay West Bahak-Bahak dahil ang February 4 ay Barangay West Bahak-Bahak Day. Ayan. Pinanukala ni ano yan ni Konsehal ni Kagawad Barangay Kagawad Milbert Adlawan na naipasa syempre no, naging barangay ordinance na every February 4 every year is Barangay West Bahak-Bahak Day in honor of the late great barangay captain na matagal na nanungkulan sa Barangay West Bahak-Bahak. Dinedicate ang kanyang panahon, ang oras, ang talento, ang sarili, no? Sa Barangay West Bahak-Bahak, February 4 na is recognized as the Cap Noli or Barangay West Bahak-Bahak Day in honor of Cap Noli Capistrano. Inimbitahan po namin kayong lahat. Siguro kahit hindi ka taga Barangay West Bahak-Bahak, pwede kang pumunta. O, kasiyahan lang naman to parang Mardi Gras style, 'di ba? May parada, may mga intermission number, may mga palaro, kung ano-ano, no? February 4. Ano bang araw yung February 4? It falls on a Wednesday, am I right? Wednesday yata. Yeah. Okay, so next week na to. Next week na yung February 4. Tama ba ako? Yes, tama ako. Okay. So you're all invited. February 4, Barangay West Bahak-Bahak Day in honor of Cap Noli Capistrano. Okay? And of course, it will be spearheaded by the now Barangay Captain, ang apo, syempre. Barangay Captain Billy Joel Capistrano. All right? So we hope you guys could join us. You're all invited. It's an open invitation, huh? Okay? And job openings for you coming from our friends at the SBMA Labor Department. Yan, the latest job announcements from SBMA Labor Department. January 28, job openings, kahapon to ni-release. Okay? Pero pwede pa mag-apply, syempre. Southpac Diversified Services Incorporated is looking for a purchaser. Okay? Housekeeping personnel, HR assistant. The deadline is on February 4. Hanggang February 4 pa, ha? Okay? Pwede pa mag-apply. Once again, Southpac Diversified Services, HR assistant, housekeeping personnel, purchaser. February 4 is the deadline. This one's from Innovatus Incorporated, drafting assistant. The closing date is February 5. Okay, and PA Support, Subic, aka Play Asia, is looking for a risk operations team leader. Interesting position, huh? Risk operations. Yeah, okay. Once again, the deadline for this, for PA Support Subic, aka Play Asia Risk Operations Team Leader. Deadline is on February 20, 2026. Malayo pa. So, pwede pang mag-apply. Pwede. Pwede, pare. Okay, some more job openings. Subic Homes Inc. is looking for a liaisons officer. And the deadline is on February 11. MBK Grand Leisure Inc., also known as Sorable Grand Leisure Hotel, is looking for the following: cook, chef, housekeeping, accounting staff, kitchen steward. February 2 is the closing date. MSK Ready Mix is looking for a production staff. The deadline, February 6. Yese Trading Corporation, or YESE, is in need of a maintenance staff. Deadline is on February 20. Okay? Again, MSK Ready Mix is looking for heavy equipment mechanic, cement mixer, truck driver, and operator. February 6 is the deadline. Buchan Global Services Corporation is looking for a janitorial staff, HR personnel, accounting staff, admin staff, skilled sewer, repair engineer, front desk receptionist, barista, line cook, kitchen staff, utility service crew, driver. Ang dami, ha? The deadline is February 6, 2026. This time for Tayan Subic Electric Incorporated, after sales service technician. February 6 is the deadline. Tokiwa Subic Corporation is looking for IMPEX staff or import-export staff. Okay? Deadline is, malapit na, bukas na to. January 30, you guys better hurry. Buchan Global Services is looking for a production operator, calibration product engineering support personnel, licensed civil engineer. The deadline closing date February 6, 2026. Alright, so those are the job announcements. Actually, marami pa. Hindi ko na po mabasa lahat. Wala nang time. Pag binasa ko to lahat, aabutin tayo ng 2027. Promise. Kaya maraming trabaho. Huwag niyong sabihin walang trabaho, walang ma-applyan. Marami po. Puntahan niyo yung SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. Tsaka yung, ano na rin, yung Future Link Incorporated. Yan, naghahanap din ng production operators yan. Tsaka skilled workers. Marami pa. 'Di ba? Dismantlers ng electronic items na hindi maselan sa requirements. Kahit high school graduate or undergraduate, tanggap. Promise. Puntahan niyo po, Future Link Incorporated. Okay? And ang maganda rito sa Future Link, pati na rin dito sa SBMA Labor Department, when you visit their Facebook page, kaya I am suggesting na you visit their Facebook page kasi bawat job openings na nakapost doon sa Facebook page, merong QR code na i-scan niyo. Pag in-scan niyo yung QR code, it will take you to the link kung saan may lalabas na form. If i-fill upan nyo yung form, application form na po yun. Rekta na. Nag-apply na kayo. Pagka-scan nyo ng QR code, diretso applyan na. O, di ba? Andali, di ba? The folks at SBMA Labor Department and Future Link Inc. is making things easy for you. Scan mo lang yung QR code. O, diretso apply na. Hintay ka lang tawag. Okay, so you guys check it out, lalong-lalo na yun sa Future Link Incorporated dahil yung mga pangangailangan nila na employees is urgent. Urgent na. Ang dami nung kailangan nila na sa production operators na hindi kailangan ng college level. Promise. Okay? Alright, that's about it for me. Maraming salamat. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for jamming with me. This has been the Thursday edition of this radio show. This is Bandera Night Jams with DJ Tommy G. Maraming salamat for joining me. And final shoutout na rin kay Ate Elma Robles, kay Ate Criselda Bantikan, Criselda Santos, lahat ng Criselda sa mundo. Happy listening sa inyo, guys. Ate Evelyn Erodestan, pasensya na. Ang katinang lalamunan ko. Kayo rin ba? Panahon no? Nasa panahon. Dami kong kaibigan na may ubo, may sipon, may tumatahol, may ngumingiyaw. Kasi Makating lalamunan. Shout out pa sa mga nasa live stream natin. Pasensya na, wala na tayong time. Justin Rice, all the way from Bahrain. Alright. Si Kuya Israel Dimalanta, all the way from Tapinak Elementary School. May reunion kasi sila sa Tapinak Elementary School, no? 80th Grand Reunion. Lahat ng mga taga-Tapinak, ha? Mga taga-Tapinak Elementary School, mga graduate dyan. Okay, you guys. Ang inyong 80th Grand Reunion homecoming is on, excuse me, ayan na naman, sumusumpong na naman. Ang kate. February 21. Yan, okay? It will be at Mansion Garden, if I remember it right. Tama ba? Yeah, okay. And then yung batch 76 naman ng OCNHS, February 14. Uy, Valentine's. Valentine's, no? Valentine's. Tapos February 28 naman, 80th Grand Reunion din ng Olongapo City National High School naman. Nagaganapin sa Travelers Hotel. Okay? Yung batch 76 sa Riviera Hotel yun, ha? Mga batch 76, OCNHS. Okay? Pero yung sa Tapinak Elementary School, grand yun. Ayan, para hindi kayo malito. All Saturdays ito. 17, 14. Ayan, Tapinak Elementary School, 80th Grand Alumni. February 21, Saturday ulit. Tapinak Elementary School, sorry, baliktad. Yung 14, yung batch 76, OCNHS. Dami kasi, And then, February 28, Saturday na naman, OCNHS 80th Grand Reunion. Yan, sa Travelers Hotel. Okay. Dami, no? Also, in addition, this coming Feb 14 din, at 4 a.m. naman ang aga, no? At 4 a.m. there will be the Valentine's Run that will be happening at the Remy Field. Sa Remy Field po ang venue natin for this, ha? Siyempre, merong 21K, 10K, and 5K. Last time I checked, ubus na, no? Ubus na yung, ewan ko kung may natitira pa sa 5K tsaka sa, sa unang naubos, 10K. Hindi ko lang sure kung may natitira pa sa 21K tsaka sa 5K. Bisitahin niyo po yung J-Run Events Facebook page para makapag-inquire, no? J-Run, J-R-U-N, on Facebook. Ayan, ask natin si Kuya Bobby Jackson. Kuya Bobby Jackson, meron pa raw ba? Valentine's Run, February 14, 4 a.m. at the Remy Field. See you guys there. Those are mga addictus. Addictus sa takbuhan. Grabe. Oh, nowadays, ang daming addictus sa takbuhan, Grabe. Gusto tumatakbo. Di ba? Maganda isama mo si Mahal dyan. Total, Valentine's Run, di ba? Oh, mag-date kayo ni Mahal dyan. Oh, lalo na kung hindi mo pa siya asawa officially, girlfriend, boyfriend pa lang, Para malaman mo kung mabilis tumakbo si Mahal. Tayong mga lalaki pare, importanteng malaman natin na yung jowa natin ay mabilis pala tumakbo. Para pag dumating yung time na kailangan niya tayong habulin, alam na natin. Alam na natin, aabutan rin lang tayo. Di, wag na tayong tatakbo. Sayang lang yung pagod. Mabilis pala tumakbo si Mahal, Oh, lalo na pag may ginawa kang kasalanan, bonyat ka, Hindi ka makakatakas. Tatakbo ka pa, Okay, so again, that's it for me. Maraming salamat po. And here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from the band called Saigon Kick. This one's called Love Is On The Way. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday night. Bye-bye.